Alright, hey guys, Alex here, and I just recently picked up this Makita Sawzall. This is the 11 amp, 7.3 pound lightweight Sawzall from Makita. Makita usually gives you pretty nice cases for their tools. One thing I really like about this case is this large bin right here, this large area for your blades. So you can store quite a few blades in here. Also, you could store the tool with the blade on it because they give you room here. So I'm all about accessory storage for my tools, and this is really nice. It's nicely weighted. It's got a really good feel to it. It's plastic with a rubber sleeve and a rubber grip. Your wrist only bends so far, so a lot of times when you're cutting, you're gonna hold it up here. And this large trigger allows you to use your middle two or last few fingers to hold onto it like this. And then also it's nice when you're using it upside down. And then when you bring it up to full speed, you can lock it on. The trigger is the release. Here's the adjustable shoe button. So you push it out, you can take the shoe all the way off, or you can adjust it to different lengths depending on what you're working on. And when there's not a blade in there, it's in the locked open position. So you just drop in a blade and it locks itself down. And then you just turn it to release it. You can install the blade upside down. It's got a variable speed trigger. You can lock it on. If you get one of these, I hope you enjoy it, and good luck in whatever you do.